Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for ways to boost your income in 2024? Maybe you want to save up for a big purchase, pay off some debt, or just have a little extra cash in your pocket. Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're diving into 10 side hustles that can help you make money in 2024. Some of these might surprise you, so stick around until the end. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks to make money and live a financially free life. First on our list is freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, there are countless opportunities out there for you. Companies, blogs, and websites are always in need of fresh content. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect writers with clients looking for articles, blog posts, and even ebooks. Not sure where to start? Why not begin with topics you're passionate about? Writing about subjects you enjoy will not only make the job easier, but also more enjoyable. Ever wondered how much you could earn from just a few hours of writing each day? Next up, we have dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products without having to worry about inventory or shipping. You simply set up an online store, find suppliers, and start selling products directly to customers. Using platforms like Shopify and Oberlo, you can start a dropshipping business with minimal upfront costs. The best part? You can run this business from anywhere in the world. Did you know some dropshippers make over $10,000 a month? If you have expertise in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge through online tutoring? Websites like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Tutor.com offer great platforms to connect with students in need of help. You can set your own schedule and work as much or as little as you want. Plus, it's incredibly rewarding to help someone else succeed. Remember how challenging math was back in school? Imagine being the person who makes it easier for someone else. Print on demand is another fantastic side hustle. You can design custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, and sell them online without worrying about inventory. Sites like Printful and Teespring make it easy to create and sell your designs. The best part? Once your designs are up, they can keep earning you money passively. Ever thought about turning your creative hobby into a profitable business? Are you a social media whiz? Businesses are constantly looking for social media managers to help them grow their online presence. As a social media manager, you'll create content, schedule posts, and engage with the audience. Tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can help you manage multiple accounts seamlessly. And with the increasing importance of social media, this is a side hustle that's here to stay. Some social media managers charge over $50 per hour for their services. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your link. You can do this through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank are popular affiliate programs to get started with. The key is to choose products you believe in and that fit your audience. Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? Becoming a virtual assistant is a great way to make money while helping businesses with administrative tasks. Duties can include email management, scheduling, data entry, and more. Sites like Belay and Time, etc. connect virtual assistants with clients. The flexibility and variety of tasks make this an appealing side hustle. Could you see yourself managing tasks for a busy entrepreneur? Love taking photos? Turn your passion into profit by selling your images on stock photography sites. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images are always looking for high-quality photos. From landscapes to everyday objects, there's a market for almost any type of photo. This can become a great source of passive income as your photos continue to sell over time. Have you ever thought about how much those everyday snapshots on your phone could be worth? If you're crafty, why not sell your handmade items online? Websites like Etsy and Handmade at Amazon provide a platform to showcase and sell your creations. Whether it's jewelry, home decor, or clothing, There's a market for unique handmade items. This is a great way to turn a hobby into a side income. Imagine seeing your creations in homes all over the world. Last but not least, starting a YouTube channel can be an incredibly lucrative side hustle. Choose a niche you're passionate about, create engaging content, and build your audience. Once you've built a following, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. It takes time and effort, but the potential rewards are huge. Ever dreamt of becoming the next big YouTube star? And there you have it, 10 side hustles that can help you make money in 2024. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.